previously covered creating videos to increase your student engagement using Animoto. Videos will always help your online courses in several ways. Not only do videos help your students learn your course content, but they can also establish your presence in the class. Videos also help those students who are auditory or visual learners. Videos help these type of learners since videos provide both visual and auditory information. Nowadays, you can easily create videos using various software that is easy and inexpensive to use. In this post, I will cover using the free FlexClip account. Developed by Pearl Mountain, FlexClip is an online video maker that is easy to use and efficient. FlexClip makes it easy for users to create professional-looking videos. The free version lets you create videos 1 minute in length and can be used to introduce course content. For example, you can use a video to present your weekly modules or specific course content. Research has shown that the video's length in online courses should be shorter than 6 minutes to be effective. Start by going to www.flexclip.com. You can sign up with either Facebook or Google or your other email. On the next screen, choose your purpose for using FlexClip. If you're an educator, click on Other. Enter educational videos. Make sure to activate your account by clicking on the activation link sent to your email. Start by clicking on Education and Training. From the templates, click on Lesson Plan, Presentation, and then click on Customize. For this tutorial, we'll keep everything the same. We will just be changing the video text. FlexClip does allow you to change everything about your video. You can access all the different elements on the left side navigation that you can change. To change the text on your video, let's go to the storyboard view of your video and start with the first overlay. To edit, click on the overlay. Once you click on it, it will allow you to edit any of the elements. To edit the text, double-click on it. Enter the desired text and click OK. You can hit Enter on your keyboard to wrap the text if needed. Once you change all the text on all the overlays, you can now preview your video. If you're happy with your work, you can export your video or continue to edit your work. To export your FlexClip video, click on Export. Select MP4 and 480p and click on Next. Enter the name of the video. For this tutorial, let's select No Video Intro and click on Export Video. The video will process. It took about 5 minutes for the video to process. Once the video has been successfully exported, you can save the video to your computer or upload to your YouTube channel. Once you download the video file to your computer, you can then upload it to your course. I would strongly recommend uploading it to your YouTube channel and then embedding it into your course. By doing so, you can also post to other accounts such as Twitter, blogs, or other social media accounts. This is how your video will appear in your course if you choose to upload it to YouTube and embed in your course. I hope you enjoyed learning about FlexClip. Creating introductory videos helps students get an overview of your course module or lesson and help to show your personality and establish your presence to your students. FlexClip allows you to use templates and customize them in many different ways, including adding your photo or even adding a personal video. It is easy to use and inexpensive. If you give it a try, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe.